Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China, and we specialize in the common rail injector. And today I want to share you some of our product. This is our valve assembly, right? If you are interested about it, please follow me. Let's check the details first, okay? We pack it with the VCI anti-rust bags. Yes, on our bags we have the label on it. On the first line of the label is the Shumatt logos. If you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us because we Shumatt will supply you the customized services. Like we can supply you print with your logo, the label, and packaging bags, and so on. Yeah. If you have this demand, please let us know, okay? And on this part, it's a product code. Product code is the F00VC01317, and the application model number is 0445110230. And this is the QR code and other information on the label. Okay, let's check the inside detail. Actually, we have two kinds of package bottles. Yes, this is we have two types. And today, for these kind of packages, it can be better protect our product during the transportation, okay? And today I will show you this one. This one, I can open it to see the inside. Wow, this is the inside part. We pack it with the oil paper. The oil paper, this is the inside. This is the whole side of our valve assembly. Actually, we not only sealing whole side, but also sealing the separate parts. The separate part, this is the valve cap, forward valve cap. It has a coating and also with the code letters on it. This is the valve roll. For valve roll, we have different lengths, we have different size. If you want other sizes, please contact us, okay? Okay. That's all the details about our product. Actually, we have many kinds of model numbers. If you are not familiar with it, please send us the product code. We can help you to check it out. Also, you can download the app. Actually, we have a lot of videos and on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you want to see more videos, please focus at our channel and remember to follow us, okay? And at here, Caitlin have a little tips I want to share with you. The first tip is if you want to clean it, use the oil. And the second tip is if you want to install it, make sure the valve rod in the valve rod can be moved smoothly, and make sure the valve cap in the right positions. Okay, that's all the details I want to share with you. Actually, we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repackaged pumps, the parts from the pumps, and the control valve we are showing today. And for our product, we had a 6 months warranty. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can contact us and we can exchange it for you. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye, my love. Bye bye.